Nanmen Village is all about that slow, peaceful vibe. Picture this. Every 5 steps, there's a chill cat lounging around. Every 10 steps, there's a curious dog wagging its tail at you.
你好胖啊
It's like stepping into a completely different world. The old houses, winding alleys, and open fields just pull you right in.
这只好胖啊，这只狗。
哎，陈皮。
我的外号也叫陈皮。
For this trip, I ditched the guidebooks and went full freestyle.
你觉得我一定要拍到的，就是我一定得去的有哪些？
去接霞庄。
接霞庄，
好了，
陆一堂、接霞庄和陆一堂。准备吃个午饭。
Just ask the locals for recommendations and let the day take me wherever it wanted. And honestly, that's the best way to experience a place like this.
荔枝柴烧的，那个。
荔枝柴烧的那家店叫啥？
忘记名字了。
忘记名字了，你在这儿给我推荐。
前面这里。
Not far from Nanmen Village is Jiexia, and trust me, it's worth the detour. The highlight for me, an old herbal pharmacy. Right above the entrance, there's this beautiful inscription. Let the world be free of illness. It's okay if medicines gather dust on the shelves. How poetic is that? Inside, you will find these ancient medicine cabinets and even bundles of dried herbs. Some of them still have actual medicine inside. The whole place is abandoned, but you can touch and explore everything, which is pretty rare for spots like this. And then, of course, there's the food.
有什么推荐是我必须务必得吃到的东西吗？
拉铁区大部分去吃都是吃腰子。
The crispy skin, the smoky flavor, it's perfection. Paired it with some stir-fried sweet potato leaves, it's simple, rustic, and crazy delicious. After the meal, I noticed some locals peeling oranges by the side of the road. They were making chenpi, or dried orangey peel, a local specialty often used in teas or soups. Pure magic in your kitchen. Back in Nanmen Village, there's this place called Lüyi Hall. It's an ancestral hall dedicated to descendants of Zhao Tingmei, the younger brother of Emperor Zhao Kuang-yin, founder of the Song dynasty. Yeah, we're talking serious history here. The entrance has this poetic inscription. Lush bamboos by the meandering Qi River, praising the noble spirits of Shangna. It's all about elegance, refinement, and honoring the past. Inside, you will find family relics and intricate details that make you want to slow down and take it all in. Now, let's talk sunset. I asked a bunch of locals where to catch the best view, and they all pointed me to the riverside, the Devouring. The water was calm, the sky was the gorgeous mix of gold and orange, and the whole vibe was just peaceful.
Sunset falling like a dream, golden light on waves that gleam. Footprints fade in sand so pure. Hearts that wander always cure.
Nanmen Village isn't just about the views or the food, it's about the stories, the history, and the way it makes you feel. It's a place where time slows down, and you can actually breathe and take it all in. So if you're even a little curious about China's countryside, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on my next adventure. I will be exploring more hidden gems like these. Leave a comment below if there is something you want to see or if you got any tips for me.
In this moment, worlds collide. Underneath the twilight spell where secrets of the night can dwell, our souls connect in soft retreat. Together find the rhythm sweet.
没事没事，你们走，没事。
Tides that come and tides that go. Caring not for high or low.
我想买一个可以吗？
Stars awaken in the dome, guiding lights that lead us